Hi, my name is Martin Roeder and my project is called Automatic Time Card. The goal of this project is to make tracking time automatic. The system uses Bluetooth beacons to define a working area and an iPhone application to detect the beacons. This allows us to detect when an employee is at work. The image on the right is an example of a gimbal Bluetooth beacon. This particular model has a range of about 50 meters. Once we define the working area, we can consider an employee who is not in range of the beacons to be off the clock. And when they are within range of the beacons, we will consider them on the clock. Here's a high-level diagram of the subsystems I created for this project. The beacon framework is provided by Gimbal, a third-party beacon manufacturer. This system monitors for beacons and notifies my application when a user enters or exits the range of the beacon network. The location detection system implements callbacks for these two types of beacon events. When these events occur, the data server will create a record of the event. The time card system is used for viewing and manipulating the data. This system will also let the user create manual clock events without using the beacon network. The final system is for administration. This also is where a payroll report can be generated. I built a small application to show the interaction of the database and time card systems. It has a few limitations, but it's only intended as a demonstration. It only has one user, and it implements the database locally instead of on a remote server. It doesn't do the automatic beacon detection because I didn't have the right hardware to test this, but it already has the callback methods needed to tie the beacon framework to the location detection system, so this could be added later. We'll start by launching the application and entering our username and password. This will take us to a screen that displays the current time card, and it shows that we haven't worked yet this week. But we can go back to the previous week and show some data. This report is pulled from the local database and shows hours worked per day and total hours for the week. The other thing this application can do is create a manual clock event in the database. So we'll clock in here, and it shows that we started work. And now I'll advance the system time by an hour so we can show some hours worked. And now when we clock out, you can see we're 1 hour ahead. And now it shows that we have 1 hour worked for today. This is a small example, but I hope it demonstrates how the time card and database systems interact. This concludes my presentation. Thanks for watching.